other things can wait. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Done with my second drink, getting a little tipsy. Ain't gonna get delirious, so party hard till I'm 60.
So, back from my ride. Got dropped again, but lasted 34 minutes, a little more than half an hour, which is awesome. So, I've also figured that my bike fit is wrong because I've basically used this old stump of mine on the bike, and that's basically changed everything. Like, it's really bad. You can see how my hands are basically stretched out. So, off to the shop now to do some monthly course stuff with Shaurya and get the bike fixed. First,
The other things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is it?
yeah, dude. Race numbers. The gun saver.
Dude, Doug.
So easy.
Stage 3 stuff. How does it lock though?
Arts and crafts. CK, how does it lock?
We end up cutting our finger.
So, looks like I've got another delivery from the cycle wallahs.
I'm off to do that. 15 minutes totally worth of anaerobic intervals. It's like zone 7, zone 6. It's like 350 watts plus. 15 of those. I just got my vaccination yesterday, my second dose that is, and I hope I can do it. So, I'm in the middle of a workout. I think I'm cramping my right leg pretty bad. So, couldn't put out the power in the last interval. So, I'm gonna do one more. I need to do 3 sets, 5 each. Just finishing my first set now. And if I can't do this next interval, then maybe I'm just gonna call it a day because don't want to worsen the cramp, you know. I hope you can hear me. Come to meet Joel and Itsy Bitsy because we have come for shopping for our bits that are going to be here and there. One of us has to be out because we obviously didn't get our bike locks. And yeah, my legs are slowly cramping. Yeah, so as you can see, I didn't end up doing my workout because not in the position, and also my legs are cramping really bad, so yeah. What does that guy want?
What?
What did he ask you?
So it's like, are you cycling racers? I was like, maybe.
Maybe.
So yeah, it's like, I want my kid to get into cycling sport. So I said, okay.
Buy him a cycle.
So I was like, yes, I was like, does he have a cycle? And he said no. I said, go to Decathlon, get a cycle. And he's like, I want a coach. I was like, do you have a cycle? He's like, no. First get a cycle, then talk about coach. So I said, go to Decathlon.
That's a Naveen John. Open for applications.
Naveen with a V.
Naveen with a V. What is the Mogambo Khusho look you gave? Show the eyes again.
What? No breathe. Can you believe I know it sucks to have a lonely night? I bet you never had the chance to think about your solo flight. About your solo flight. Hey, what you thinking when you're thinking? You miss the whole point of view. You can choose not to bruise your beautiful muse. Look, all those feelings they without going mad.
No. So, we're out to do a small little shoot for the monthly course and for one of our new sponsors. So yeah, I'm on the fixie. Shara's on my bike.
You can turn the switch on any day. Let's assume life is a game we play. No one's scared of falling when they sway.
Hola! Hi boys! Oh! See you! Too much! Bye 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 bye! Abhishek, no?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, it's Abhishek.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bro, it's a bro.
You can turn the switch on any day. Throw all the self-judgment out of the balcony. So what if
So, I have made it to the start line of the time trial which we are organizing. Everyone's there. But I'm not sure if I'm going to race because just look at my face. I look like shit. I didn't sleep well. Yesterday was a hectic day. But this be a last minute choice. Let's see how I feel. Yeah, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Off to the gym now. I don't know if this is the same video or another video, but yeah. Fucking cunt. So close, don't give a shit.
she's got that you got no property? What does it even mean? They just lean, they wanna be seen. I'm not trying to be mean, but they just keen on some company. Hey, on some company.
I think I'll drop by and say hello to Nikhil if he's the restaurant. The green tea the same way.